चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And let's move ahead, viewers, to the first story we're tracking right now. The Modi cabinet has taken shape, and Amit Shah has retained the Ministry of Home Affairs. Rajnath Singh has retained the Defence Ministry in Modi 3.0. Meanwhile, Nitin Gadkari has also retained the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. We see that others have also been appointed as ministers of state. So ministers of state has been Ajay Tamta and Harsh Malhotra, MOS in the ministry, Suesha.
Oh yes, absolutely. Meanwhile, Shivangi H.D. Kumaraswamy of JDS, who took oath after Manohar Lal Khattar, was the first leader from any of the BJP allies in the NDA to have taken oath. Now, soon after, JDU leader Lallan Singh, a close aide of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, also took oath. The only thing remains to be seen now is who will be the next BJP president, and all questions really wondering whose guess will be right. Let's take a look at this report. Alright, and as we continue to get you the latest of the berths that have been given to all the NDA leaders, that of course include the BJP along with all the NDA allies. The big question being that now that JP Nadda has been given a ministerial berth himself, who will take over as the BJP national president next? Who will be tasked with that responsibility? Now, speculation is rife that it could also be Anurag Thakur, who was previously a part of the Modi 2.0 cabinet but wasn't given a berth this time around. But several names that are doing the rounds as I cut across to my colleague Riyanka, who joins us live this morning to give us more details of who could be the next BJP national president, Riyanka, because it is a big task to take over that position, especially after what has happened in this Lok Sabha polls.
Absolutely right, and all the speculations are there waiting for the announcement of who will be taking charge as the BJP president after Mr. JP Nadda was given a ministerial berth. He has taken over the Ministry of Health. So all the speculations are there. There are rounds of Mr. Anurag Thakur, who was dropped from the cabinet of the Modi 3.0. He could be made as the BJP president. But we'll also have to get the point where there will be more meetings that will be taking place in the due course of the day, and we are expecting the announcement of that particular position, a very prestigious position, soon. But on the other hand, we know that today the ministers who were, or there was the official announcement of the portfolios. They will be taking charge of their portfolios, and very clearly we see how the big four has been retained by the BJP. In fact, there has been not any major changes other than a few ministries there. But we have to see how important did the Prime Minister Modi think of keeping the defense, the finance, the MEA with the same leaders that were serving in Modi 2.0 cabinet. So here the faces were Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman, S. Jaishankar. On the other hand, we saw JP Nadda coming in terms of the health ministry, and also Ashwini Vaishnav, he has also retained the railway ministry, and he has been given the INB ministry as well. So several of these ministries were retained by the top leadership of the BJP. On the other hand, we saw how there were MOS charges given to other leaders as well, and several other cabinet portfolios that were given to the JDU allies, the TDP allies, be it for Lalan Singh taking over the Panchayati Raj Ministry, and also, several other leaders coming forward, taking charge of other ministries. Also, Jyotiraditya Sindhar moving from aviation to culture, retaining his family ministry there. So all these changes were made, and today all these leaders will go ahead and take charge of their, particular ministries ahead.